Three, two, one. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The official brochure of doing business in Surigao del Norte. Norte brochure. Your dedication has been instrumental in showcasing the province's investment potential and fostering economic growth. Given this 7th day of May 2024 in Surigao City, Philippines. Signed, Provincial Governor Robert Lyndon S. Martins.
And the local government of unit of Surigao, allow me to welcome you to this day, the launching of the doing business in the Surigao del Norte brochure. Today marks the fruitful completion of the collaborative efforts of this present administration under the leadership of Governor Lyndon Barbers on behalf of the provincial government and the SGB and company in coming out with a comprehensive brochure that serves as a powerful resource tool for potential investors, highlighting the vast, uncommon, unspoiled, and untouched wealth of investment opportunities available across the province of Surigao del Norte, especially in the capital town of Surigao City.
You know, ladies and gentlemen, this is a historic and a momentous occasion for the province of Surigao del Norte. The reason why I said that is because sa ako, or in the process of coming up with a literature to promote the economic potential of our province and the city, kailangan may ako sa partner na diin may dakong reputation. We sat down with a group of businessmen in Manila. O nangutan kami, so may maayong himuon sa among probinsya o sa among dakbayan aron mamuot nato ang ilang pangutana dayon sa ako, Congressman. Ano ba yung doing business in Surigao del Norte literature? So, ladies and gentlemen, I immediately called our friend, the Chief Financial Officer of Santa Lucia, Mr. David de la Cruz. And I asked him, Mr. David, how can we come up with a good literature to be able to promote Surigao del Norte, the province, and the city as an investor's haven? Yung natin si Mr. de la Cruz, the best way is to get a reputable company to help you write or craft a literature for doing business in Surigao. So, nagtatanong ko sa inyo, kitsa may imong rekomendado, no other than SGB. I am a good friend. Yung radyo si Mr. De La Cruz, ay mag-friend ko Mr. Wilson Tan. He's now the president of SGB. We can sit down with him and talk to him. So, dali-dali kami nag-schedule, nag-meeting kami ng Mr. Wilson Tan, together with Mayor Paul and Governor Lyndon. We went to SGB Makati, we sat down with them, nag-ingon may Mr. Tan. We believe that SGB, being a reputable company, dili lamang sa Pilipinas, kundi entero kalibutan, ilaro karagawan SGB. Sa Sultan, and your team. Please help us come up with a literature that will help us promote Surigao del Norte and Surigao City as an investors area.
The long story short, namog na kini. It was just an idea then, and then it went on the drawing board, and now, literally, nakita ninyo ato gi-launch. We just like to say that today marks a pivotal moment on our path to progress. We gather not just to unveil the doing business in Surigao del Norte for sure, but to celebrate the launch of a game-changing tool that will propel us towards a brighter future. Compared to other provinces in the Philippines that have a more diversified economic base and established infrastructure, Surigao del Norte may still be perceived as a province with potential but needing further development to attract a broader range of investments across various sectors. This collaboration with SGB and Company, a widely reputable consulting firm, formalized by the Memorandum of Agreement signing last August of 2023, together with Surigao City Mayor Paul Dumlao, Palm Ace Barbers, Santa Lucia Land CFO David De La Cruz, and yours truly, stands as a testament to our dedication to unlocking Surigao del Norte's boundless potential. SGB and Company's expertise has been instrumental in crafting a powerful resource, a beacon that shines incredible light on our diverse investment opportunities, our resilient spirit, and our steadfast commitment to sustainable growth. This valuable tool will help prospective investors in making informed decisions and navigate the local business environment effectively. By the way, before I proceed,
credits for Genesis June, Steph and her team. It worked so hard together with her counterpart in the new government. So they're really the ones who really thought to come up with this investment brochure. But this one should be a live document. In fact, I was telling them that in the other LGUs that we held, maybe every 2 years we will give an update, depending on the developments in the LGU. And we have also given a soft copy that you can also post in your website, if you have a website. So you're free to use that, but of course nothing beats a hard copy like that. I think about a year ago, I got a call from David. David is a former colleague in SGB, so you can also see the SGB network at work here. In SGB, we've been trained by our late founder, Mr. Washington CC, that SGB should be a catalyst for good change. That we ought to help the government improve contribute to the national development and growth. Because if the economy grows, so will SGB. So when I got a call from David, sabi niya, Wilson, can you help come up with a brochure, some sort of an investment brochure for Surigao del Norte? Sabi ko, seryoso ba yan? Because we really want to help, but we would like to help those LGUs who really want to make a difference. Okay? Because we're doing this pro bono. This is part of our help to nation building. So I was telling David, I think he asked whether magkano. Sabi, no, we do it for free. We've been doing this since 1968. And only recently, for the past 4 or 5 years, that we have localized it at the LGU level. So, yeah, that was the call. And then when we had that MOU signing last August, I can feel the passion and the resolve from Governor Lindon, from Congressman Ace, Mayor Paul. Sabi ko, seryoso po sa nandito. They really want to make a difference for the people of Surigao and Norte. The gateway to Mindanao with its breathtaking landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and vibrant communities stands as a beacon of hope and vast opportunity for the region as well as for the country. So as we move forward to the future, we celebrate not only its natural beauty, but also the dynamic and diverse sectors that drive its economic engine. As we turn our gaze towards the horizon, we see immense opportunities awaiting exploration and investment. Surigao del Norte, blessed with abundant natural resources, is poised to emerge as a powerhouse in several key sectors. In this brochure, you can see the key sectors where we believe that Surigao del Norte will take the lead. In mining, in ecotourism, for example, you have the world-renowned surfing capital of the Philippines, Siargao. And I heard that this is one of the top 10 destinations last 2023. You're also rich in agriculture and fishery, as well as in infrastructure. And this is just a preview of what Surigao del Norte has to offer. It is therefore our hope that given this favorable investment environment and backed up with the government officials who have the resolve to make things happen, the launching of the Doing Business in Surigao del Norte publication will further help encourage more companies and investors to consider exploring business opportunities in the region. Together, let us build a future of prosperity, sustainability, and inclusivity for the people of Surigao del Norte. Again, thank you for inviting us. We're so honored to be here. I'm sure if our founder, Mr. Sisip, is alive, he would be very proud. Proud of course, our team being able to help you in our small way. But this is not the end, right? The government needs your help. It should be a working collaboration between the government and the private sector. That's the key. So, wishing you all the best. Thank you.
Salamat National Executive Chairman Wilson Pitan. May we request the
is very supportive of this program. And I would like to thank all of you for gracing today's launching of the Doing Business in the province of Surigao del Norte's official brochure, which marks a significant milestone in promoting economic opportunities in showcasing the business-friendly environment of the province of Surigao del Norte. This is also a testament to the commitment of the provincial government in nurturing a conducive environment for business development, designed to stimulate economic growth and promote partnership that will benefit both the Surigaonon community and our business sectors. And I will also be working closely to our heads of the different departments of the provincial government together with the provincial governor's office in making and crafting a provincial ordinance which will be in support of the doing business of the province of Surigao del Norte. And I would also like to thank our partner, the SGB and Company, a renowned firm in providing high-quality professional service that enable clients to efficiently navigate the complexities of finance, business, and regulation. You play a crucial role in helping organizations, especially in the provincial government, in achieving our financial capabilities and objectives, manage risk, and upholding integrity and transparency in our operations, which are all aimed towards a better province, Surigao del Norte. We have so much to offer in our province. As we start this path of growth, let us utilize the possibilities outlined in the brochure to promote innovation, generate employment, and support the sustainable progress of this province. Together, we can do so much. Let us tirelessly work and collaborate to create a vibrant business environment that supports entrepreneurs, foster innovation, and improves the economic landscape of the province of Surigao del Norte. Congratulations on the successful launch of this official brochure, and may it pave the way for a prosperous new future filled with breakthroughs, growth, and prosperities for all Surigaoans. Salamat para sa inyo lahat.